Hi, I'd like to thank Renata for sending me this serum that's conditioning for eyebrows and eyelashes so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. This stuff is really nice, and I did put it on before I put my makeup on, so I'm going to show you that here in a minute. But it is so nice. It's like a spoolie. You can see the serum is on there. Very light, pleasant scent. And you can especially use this if you get your eyebrows done or your eyelashes done to kind of keep them conditioned. I don't do that, but I do like to use this at night. I'll put a good coat on my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and then I'll head to bed. That's my favorite way to use this. My eyebrows get kind of crazy. Like the eyebrow hairs just kind of like go all over the place. And so I appreciate this because it kind of helps make them softer and easier to manage is how this helps me. So let me just show you the spoolie, and I'm going to now show you how I used it this morning. I highly recommend it. Thanks.